And then this side is the Defender rebuild section. All these Defenders are being rebuilt and revamped to go to the States. So here's a 90 300 TDI, just got the body back. That there's a 110, the body's just gone. And then there's another 110 arriving today. Just had the interior done, sound put in, floor's been rubberized, bodywork's all been done. So that one we just got to do final touches like door handles and things like that. So yeah, I'll update you guys when that comes back, and I'll send you a video of when the one that's almost ready comes back as well.